all the logics behind UPSC questions. See, you cannot know all the answers, and we'll learn how to apply those logics in this applied session.
This single program will add at least extra 30 plus marks in your prelims test.
We'll be solving newer questions जो आपने पहले कभी देखे नहीं होंगे. We'll be solving those questions here. So this will be a single day session.
Trinetra, your third eye, the eye which is different from your normal vision, the eye which gives you a different perspective of this world. With the same ideology, we are here to announce a program which will add a third eye to your prelims examination. Apart from your normal vision, that is knowledge and the facts, this program will add logic to your prelims preparation. Sir and ma'am, what if I say that you will find it very difficult and almost impossible to crack the prelims examination? And I am repeating it again, almost impossible to crack the prelims examination if you are sitting in the exam hall just upon the knowledge and the facts. I can say this, and you can verify this from the toppers. They would have found it very difficult to clear the prelims stage if they would have, attempted the paper only on the basis of knowledge and the facts. And that is where the importance of the third eye, that is logic, comes into the picture. UPSC is not only testing the knowledge and the facts in you, but UPSC also testing the aptitude and the logic in your preparation. That is where this single program will add at least extra 30 plus marks in your prelims test score. And this would run on the back of knowledge and the facts. So whatever knowledge you have, whatever conceptual clarity you have, and whatever factual accuracy you have, will build the logic based upon those 2 or 3 pillars. And we will ensure that you are having that extra edge of 20 or 30 marks in the prelims examination by applying the logic. And mind you, here I am not talking about the elimination. Elimination is just one of the tool of what I can say, the logic, which is now old. I'm not talking about the elimination, but I'm talking about all those tools apart from elimination and including the elimination, which will ensure that you are using the knowledge and the facts to make extra questions right. In this program, the entire batch will be highly organized and will be taken by the IITians for your general studies wala part, GS wala part. And now to announce the class pedagogy and the class components, I would call Kuldeep sir from IIT Delhi to make you aware about the components of Trinetra.
Now to develop this third eye of logical aptitude in you, we'll be conducting 2 different kinds of Trinetra sessions. This is all under the umbrella of a Trinetra session. The sessions will be of 2 types. One will be the master session, other is the applied session. We'll apply everything that we learn in the master session. So master session will be a single session of 6 to 7 hours where we'll learn all the logics behind UPSC questions. Now here we'll try to read between the lines, we'll identify traps, what UPSC is, how UPSC is trapping. In a way, we'll try to go through the mind of the examiner who is framing the question. See, you cannot know all the answers, but surely we can know how to reach to the right ones. This is what we'll develop in this master session. So this will be a single day session, 6 to 7 hours, but in that we'll learn all the logics. Now whatever logics we are learning, we'll try to apply and we'll learn how to apply those logics in this applied session. Now this applied session will be subject wise. So broadly we have 7 subjects and we'll conduct 7 different applied sessions for them, 2 hours each, and there we'll solve new type of questions. We won't be solving PYQs here. We'll be solving newer questions जो आपने पहले कभी देखे नहीं होंगे. We'll be solving those questions here and we'll try to apply all these logics that we learn in this sessions so that we develop that logical mindset, that logical aptitude in you. Apart from this, we'll also be conducting some previous year question session year wise. Why we will be doing that? Because various logics can be developed depending on the flow of the paper, how the questions are being set in the exams. वो सब भी सीखेंगे here. That depending on how you are attempting the paper, also there can be some logics derived from that. We'll also see that in some previous year question sessions that we'll conduct separately, that will also be announced eventually. So we are doing all this in order to have an edge of around 25 to 30 marks in the prelims exam. Now this particular course, the Trinetra course, is starting from 3rd of January. But mind you, this is the first batch of Trinetra. We'll be keep coming up with this master sessions and applied sessions almost every few days. So even if you are reaching to this video at a later date, at a date after 3rd January, you need not worry. You can visit to the website on sunyaes.com or you can connect on this number. You can get the details of the latest batch that is starting. The main thing is, the earlier you start, there will be more time for you to practice all this logics within the test papers that you are giving, and you will get more comfortable with this logic. Because you have to develop this logics, there is a limit to your knowledge, there is a limit to the facts that you can learn. But once this stops, your logic begins. And this is what we'll develop in your Trinetra session. So